Prepare chicken tikka boti. 2 tablespoon tikka masala. 250-gram yogurt dahi. Mix it well. 1 kilogram boneless chicken fillets. Marinate it for 1 hour. Prepare broth yakni. 1 inch ginger adrak. 7 to 8 garlic cloves lawson. 3 black cardamom bari elaichi. 3 cinnamon sticks dalchini. 10 to 12 black peppercorn and 10 to 12 cloves. 3 tablespoon coriander seeds sabut dhaniya. Half teaspoon salt. 3 glass water. Cook for an hour on low flame. 3 tablespoon oil. Add marinated chicken tikka. Change side after 6 to 8 minutes. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Take out the chicken pieces in a plate. Prepare biryani masala. 4 tablespoon oil. 8 to 10 cardamom elaichi. 1 teaspoon cumin zira. 2 medium sliced onion. 3 to 4 star anise badian kaful. Take out some golden brown onion in a plate. 3 tomato. 8 to 10 green chili. Coriander. Half teaspoon nutmeg mace powder Jaiphal javitri. 2 teaspoons salt. Mix. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. 8 to 10 green chili, coriander and mint. 1 inch ginger adrak. 7 to 8 garlic cloves. 250-gram yogurt. Blend it well. Add green paste. Add chicken tikka masala. Mix. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Stain the broth yakni. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. 1 kilogram soaked rice. Mix it well. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Add chicken tikka pieces. For garnishing, green chili, coriander, mint, and golden brown onion. Add food color. Keep it covered for 10 on low flame. Enjoy! Hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.